Good afternoon, students. Welcome to this class. It's your English teacher, Lina Hernandez, and today we're going to talk about modal verb should and modal verb would is from your book on page 124. I'm going to explain quickly the exact meaning of this modal verb. Well, should is a modal verb that in Spanish means debería. But would is other modal verb and in Spanish is a suffix. How do you say that? You need to add other verb that complete the meaning. For example, would eat. Here you have comería. Other example, would run. That means correría. So it means that ría is the Spanish suffix that would, but you need to write other verb. Okay? For example, other example, would read. Read in Spanish is leer, and would is ría, so you say leería. That is the specific meaning of this modal verb. Well, should is an auxiliary verb. That means that when we have an auxiliary verb, we obligatory have to use other verb. And this verb is in a base form. For example, I should, yo debería study harder. Yo debería estudiar más fuerte. Should is a modal verb. Study is the other verb in present. Then would. Would is a modal verb and run is the other verb in present. That is not correct. I should to study. That is not correct. You can use to. Is bad. Let me put and line. Is not correct. You can do it. You can do it. That is not good to write the letter to. You have to do in present, not in infinitive. You should say, I should study harder. Is good. I should to study harder. Is bad. Okay, it's not correct. Well, with would run, the modal verb would and the verb run in present. Is not possible, is not good to put run. Would to run is not correct, is bad. You have to use would run. Okay? How to write? ¿Cómo lo escribimos? Affirmative, subject, modal verb would or should, other verb in present, and complement. Negative, subject, modal verb would or could, or should, in negative, wouldn't, couldn't. That is in negative. Should and NT. Negative. Could and NT. That is the negative, and the other is would and NT. This is the other modal verb, but I have a mistake. The modal verb would is an other auxiliary verb and have other mainly verb, for example, a present of run, a present of could, and talk about the past, talk about the future in the past, and express conditional mood. How to write the same way of the should is similar to would. La misma forma como hacemos oraciones con should, hacemos oraciones con would. Let's see the picture. Would you like some? No, thank you. ¿Te gustaría algo? O algo de té, algo más, some food. No, thank you. No, gracias. Well, today at class, we make the point 2 and the point 3. Then you have to make 3 sentences using modal verb would and make 3 sentences using modal verb should. One affirmative, one negative, and one interrogative with would, and one affirmative, one negative, and one interrogative with should. Esta fue la actividad que hicimos en clase, la deben tener en el cuaderno. 3 oraciones usando modal verb would, 3 oraciones usando modal verb should. Okay, that's all. See you next class. Bye bye.